These fighter jets didn't just fly for India, they fought, won, and made history. Hawker Hunter, 1957, used in 1965 and 1971. Indo-Pak Wars role, ground attack and dogfights. This British-built jet roared through enemy skies, decimating tanks in 1965. Fast, reliable, and deadly. MiG-21, 1963. Used in 1971 Indo-Pak War, Kargil War, India's first supersonic jet. In 1971 it shot down Pakistan's Sabres. Even in 2019 it was still defending our borders. Sepakat Jaguar, 1979. Used in Kargil War, 1999. Low, fast and lethal. Jaguars performed precision bombing in the high-altitude battles of Kargil. Mirage 2000, 1985. Used in Kargil War, Balakot Airstrike, 2019. The game changer in Kargil. Laser-guided bombs, pinpoint strikes, zero miss. And again in Balakot, it struck first and struck deep. Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, 2002. Built with Russian muscle, upgraded with Indian brains, it dominates the sky with raw power and agility. AKSHAJ, 2020. India's first indigenous 4.5 Gen fighter. Designed, built and flown by Indians. A symbol of self-reliance, a symbol of the future. From the MiG-21S of 1971 to the Tejas of today, India's fighters have guarded our skies with honor. This isn't just hardware, it's courage, legacy, and the pride of India. Happy 79th Independence Day, India.